Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to display a global pick list value set alphabetically. So you all know that if something is represented in a alphabetical way, it is very easy to sort it out. So let's learn how we display the global pick list value alphabetically in both Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic interface. So let's first start up with the Lightning one. So firstly, logged in yourself to the Salesforce account with the help of credentials of a Salesforce administrator. Once you successfully logged in, most of the time will be redirected to the home tab of any specific app. So now to move to the main setup home page, you need to click on the gear icon given on the right top side, and from here you need to choose up the setup option that is on a number 1. It's take you to the setup for the current app. It opens up the new tab and it's take you to the main setup home page of a Salesforce Lightning. Once you redirect to the main setup homepage of a Salesforce Lightning, on the left side we have a quick find box. Now in that quick find box, you need to search up for the pick list value set. And this pick list value set is also known as a global value set. You can search it out. You will get an option of this pick list value set under the objects in the field section. Once you click on that, it will take you to the page where you will get the list of all the global value sets that are in a Salesforce that you have already created up. Now it's time to choose up the global value set whose value you want to alphabetically reorder. Here you can see we have the list. Now it's here I am going to show you the example for the product status. So here I click on this product status name of the global value set. I am not clicking on the edit option. I am clicking on the particular name of the global value set for resetting up the order of the pick list values inside it in alphabetical order. Once I click on that, it will shift me to the page that is specifically regarding this product status global value set. Here you can see that we have a value section, and here values are not in a alphabetical order. Like first we have a value that start with A, then we have a value that start with D, and then we have with O and B and I. So these values are not in alphabetical order, but I want that to be in alphabetical order, so it will be easily picked up by the user. So for that I click on the reorder button that is given on the this value section. So once I click on that, it takes me to the page where I can reset this pick list value set. Now here you can see that we have a top, up, down, bottom button that we have already discussed how to reorder. If we using that button to reordering the values in the alphabetical manner, it's very difficult task. Till now I have a 4 to 5 value. It can be easily done by taking 2 minutes to 5 minutes, but in the case when we have thousands of value, it is not possible to do that. It will take a lot of time to do all such things. So for to do this thing in just a seconds, we have a special feature like here we are given with the checkbox that displays the value alphabetically, not in the order you have entered these value. So you need to click on this checkbox if you want to represent in alphabetical order, and simply click on the save button to complete the changes. Once you click on the save button, it moves back you to the page where you will get a specific list of these value, and now you can see that the value start with the A, then we have a value start with B, then D, then I, and then O. Now these values are arranged in an alphabetical manner. Now the user easily can pick up these things. So with this we have learned how to reorder the pick list value set in the global value set of a Salesforce Lightning. So now we will proceed and discuss how to display the global value pick list set in a Salesforce Classic in alphabetical manner too. So for this, firstly we need to redirect ourselves to the classic one. So I click on the profile, and here I will get an option of a switch to a Salesforce Classic. Now I redirect myself to the Salesforce Classic, and by default we are redirected to the home page. Now we have to redirect yourself to the setup page, and here on the top we have a setup option. If someone not get the setup option here, you need to click on the name drop down, and here you will get the setup option. I have my option on the top, so I click on that. Now there are two ways to open up the pick list value set. Either you scroll down your window, move to the build section, and from here we have a create drop down. You can click on this pick list value set, or for saving up your time, you can simply use the quick find box that is given on the left side and search for the global pick list value set and start searching process. So you can do with any of the way. It's open up the same page. Now I move to this pick list value set. Here I will get the list of all the global value sets that are already created in a Salesforce. Now my main agenda is to show you how you reorder these value in an alphabetical manner. So I am going to take the example of the travel destination. So I click on that. Once I click on that, it's take me to the page, and here you can see that we have a values that are in a specifically travel destination global set value. Now we want to rearrange these values in alphabetical order. So I move to the value section. Here I have a reorder button. I click on that, and here on the downside I have a checkbox for displaying these value in alphabetical manner, like display values alphabetically, not the order that you have entered these value. I click on this checkbox and click on the save button. Once I click on the save button, it redirect back me to the page, and now here you can see that these value are in alphabetical order. If they are already in alphabetical order, there will be a no change. If they are not, they will shows you in a alphabetical manner. So with this, we have successfully learned how you rearrange these value in alphabetical order in Salesforce Classic. So in this complete video tutorial, we have learned how to display the global value set pick list values in alphabetical order in both Salesforce Lightning as well as the Classic interface. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.